What's up, guys? Wicked Bird here. I'm doing a GTA 5, but I will be with my friend Cobby later. Hey, say hi to the people, Cobby. Yeah, say what's up. That's magnificent. Anyway, I'm just gonna be playing one of the GTA Black Ops Black Ops mission. So I'm gonna be playing the Black Ops mission. Cobby might be having technical difficulties. Cobby, right? Yeah, you might want to turn your speaker up a bit, Cobby. You know. Psst, he's got to connect. So if you want to comment on that and shit. And also if you want to post a like, subscribe if you're new. But we're going to do this shiz. Yo, we got it. Yo, didn't know he was there. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Let's do this. Come on, show me what you got, game. See how, bitch. Yo, I'm go bad. I need a gun. Yo, that truck's gonna be on fire. Sorry guys, you had to see that, but I blew up. So you know.